Whether you're speeding through your day or driving down the road, it's important to slow down and stop every once in a while. That's where brakes come in. They're one of the most vital features on your car. When you go in for a brake inspection, a technician examines a number of things, like the master cylinder, wheel cylinder, brake lining, motor, and drum. They also inspect the remaining thickness of your brake pads and check for any leaks. The brake warning light isn't the only indicator of trouble. When you hit the brakes, if you either hear an obnoxious grinding or squealing sound or feel a vibration, it's a clear indicator that your brakes are going bad. Pay attention to if they drag or grab, if you have to push the pedal really hard or all the way to the floor. It's important to check the brake fluid. If the color appears dark or murky, it's time to replace it. Ask your service professional what your vehicle manufacturer recommends for brake fluid replacement and follow their advice. Brake work is one of the most common repairs done by mechanics. It's inevitable that your brake pads will wear and tear. Replacing them is done at a reasonable cost. If your problem turns out to be in the disc, drum, or rotor, expect a higher bill. Brake lines, unless cut, almost never need replacing. It's important to have your brakes checked annually and that you bring your car in at the first sign of a brake system problem.